Imagine that's your skin. Holes are much bigger, not that even, already getting darker. You're gonna be like, what is that, Jim? If you guys wanna have a nice glowy skin, especially if you're over 35, you need to watch this. This is real dermaroller. Same size, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pressure the same as here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar dermaroller. One has real needles. Another one has fake needles. Not the real needle. I'll explain about that later. Can you guys see? You kind of can't see much. Look what I'm going to show you. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I have a microscope here. I'll show you what happens under a microscope. Real punctures over here. Can you see? All right. I don't know if you guys are going to see. Look at the size of the holes. Very, very little. Now let's go to this fake banana. Imagine that's your skin. Holes are much bigger, not that even, already getting darker. You're gonna be like, what is that, Jim? That has nothing to do with the skin. I'm gonna get back in the next hour. Will show you why this actually matters. Okay, I don't think we're gonna need the microscope here. Again, this being now almost an hour. Real individual dermaroller versus fake. I'll get back to you tomorrow in 24 hours. I'm gonna tell you just one thing. More trauma, less trauma. More painful, less painful. Longer healing time, shorter healing time. More damaged skin protective barrier, less damaged skin protective barrier. Longer you have to wait to get in the sun, exercise, do exfoliation. Shorter you can do next day. There we go.